So we kind of transitioned our business into putting it into a box and kind of making it available for anybody who could see themselves owning their own business, really attaching themselves to real estate and putting that effort in, because the money that you can make through this vehicle of real estate is unbelievable.
Hey everybody out there, welcome to Pink TV. Guys, we're super excited about this new YouTube channel that we're going to bring out there right now. We're going to be talking about all things non-traditional real estate investing. Obviously, we're going to be talking about our own BizOp, Little Pink Houses of America. Folks that are looking for a business in a box. They want to do non-traditional real estate deals, kind of that control without ownership, if you will. Obviously, there's going to be a buy-in with us, guys. Those of you that are watching at home that are already affiliates of ours clearly know this. Those of you that are on the fence are probably aware of this as well. So just like any business you're out there, obviously there's an upfront cost associated with that. Based on our returns, average deal is about $15,000 a pop. We want to make your investment, get your ROI back here as quickly as possible. We're doing a series to really kick this channel off, guys, and this is going to be really explosive. Not only are we going to be talking about the BizOp itself, we're going to be bringing on new, fresh, non-real estate investment techniques out there, even aside from the Pink executive lease purchase techniques. Guys, we want to be that Swiss Army knife, so we're going to bring those on. We've got a very exciting guest on here today. We've got Mr. Dan Mazie. We call him Danny here in the office. He's big time. This is Mr. COO here.
The director of winning.
This is the director of winning. So, Danny, I don't want to steal your thunder. Wanted to make a brief intro, obviously give a backdrop on the channel here. If you don't mind kind of sharing your personal story, and then we can kind of pivot and talk about Pink a little bit more and your expertise.
Yeah, so my personal story is kind of interesting, the way I came to Pink. I've been here for about 6.5 years, almost from Pink's inception. Me and Michael met about that same time I came in. My sister had worked here at the time. I was a former lumberjack.
Lumberjack, guys.
Lumberjack.
Yes.
Swinging a chainsaw over my shoulder out there being a lumberjack. I'm also a former race car driver. Through racing.
And a millennial.
And a millennial.
Let's not leave that out.
But through my racing experience, I had to learn how to market, because if you want to make any money racing, you better be spending somebody else's money. So I had to market myself very well. My sister was working with a company at the time, and she said, hey, they've got this amazing company that's emerging onto the scene. We do non-traditional real estate. We specialize in lease-to-own homes. And I was like, this sounds very interesting. All I knew about real estate at the time was hire an agent, buy a house. Come down here, meet the team, an amazing suit of personalities, even Michael. Seriously though, an amazing team. We clicked right off the bat. I got my sleeves rolled up, got dirty. We started marketing, averaging anywhere from 8 deals a month and more. We had 40 properties on our board, and we're just lighting Jacksonville up, painting the town pink, as we called it.
That's right.
Every weekend. It was a ton of fun. Through that, people started to hear the chatter. They started to catch the ripples, and they said, what are you guys doing down there in Jacksonville? That's very interesting. I'd love to do that where I'm at. So we kind of transitioned our business into putting it into a box and kind of making it available for anybody who could see themselves owning their own business, really attaching themselves to real estate and putting that effort in, because the money that you can make through this vehicle of real estate is unbelievable.
And let me hit pause on that real fast, Dan. So I always talk about, this being a business in a box. Obviously, we're going to talk about that on Pink TV. We're going to drop some links below to VIP Financial Education. We've got a ton of videos on there as well. But that business in a box is kind of a term that we have coined. Unpack that. What does that look like?
Yeah, so when you come on board with us, you don't have to build from the ground up. You've got this foundation set under you. For one, you've got the knowledge. Our staff has over 150 years combined in non-traditional real estate, which is specialized to the market that we cater to. That's something that you don't just find. You don't find people with that kind of knowledge on every street corner. So you've got that at your disposal. You're going to get everything you need from a setup standpoint. Your online presence is done for you. Social media presence is done for you. Marketing is done for you, done with you. Lead generation is done with you, and you're trained how to activate that lead generation in your market. Basically, if you show up, put the time in, put the effort in, we're going to not just match it, we're going to exceed it, and we're going to kind of drag you along for the ride to success. So that business comes boxed up, put in front of you, and we really give you the best chance to find success through that model.
Yeah, no, that's a great description of that. You know, I always feel kind of like a broken record. I say the same things. I love to get different takes on it. Obviously, Danny here is at the top of the organization and can speak on all things Pink. Who is this not for?
This is not for somebody who wants to get rich quick. This is not for somebody who wants some uber passive investment. And this is not for somebody who's scared of people. Real estate is a people business, okay? You've got to be able to communicate with people. But our whole goal is finding positive outcomes for people. The reason that we get paid what we get paid is because we solve large problems. And in life, the bigger problems that you solve, the more money you can make. That's just the way it is. That's what we predicate our whole business on. Solving people's real estate problems is what we get paid to do. To do that, you just got to be able to communicate with people. We train you and teach you how to do that. If you're willing to roll the sleeves up and get the work done, this business is going to be an amazing fit for you.
No, I love that answer, guys. This is not a passive strategy. Obviously, we're going to talk about some passive strategies on the channel here on Pink TV. If you like information like this, you want to hear more like this about non-traditional investment strategies, you want to hear more about our Pink affiliation, the different levels, we're going to drop some links below. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up, guys. That really is going to help out our YouTube algorithms. Danny's got a really unique story here. And guys, we go into these unscripted. We think that, just going in raw, obviously makes for the best, most genuine, authentic videos.
Very much so.
Your parents bought a house through Pink.
Yes.
Talk about that.
So yeah, my parents are one of our superstar testimonials. So my dad and me had a timbering company. As I mentioned, I was a lumberjack. And the fuel crunch, probably 2012, diesel went from about $2 a gallon to about $6 a gallon. And it crushed our business. We were using 400 gallons of diesel a day, $750,000 worth of large equipment that we couldn't keep going at that scale anymore. So we had to unwind that family business, went through a very tough chapter of our life, went through bankruptcy. I moved. I found a new opportunity while my dad kind of helped wind that down. They got through the weeds on their bankruptcy and they didn't know what to do. They wanted to move down here. They wanted to be close to me. I've gotten married.
God knows why. I mean,
Yeah,
I have no idea why that would be.
Close to me? Yeah, I don't know. I'm actually a relatively good son. I don't know about a coworker, but I'm a pretty good son. Jeff one day at the office came in and said, we got this house that's down in Middleburg, which is a west of town area here in Jacksonville. And it was 5 acres. And he said, I don't know who's going to buy this. And he said, 5 acres, nice modular home, $200,000 for 5 acres. I was like, I'll buy that in a heartbeat. Mm-hmm. So I FaceTime with my dad. I said, I think this is the perfect opportunity for you. He says, well, how can I buy when I'm just coming out of bankruptcy? I said, that's exactly what we do here. So not only that, the place that he was in there, we actually sold on a lease purchase. So he got the birthday, the double whammy.
Did the double dip. Yep.
He did the double dip. We sold his house in a weekend and bought his new home in that same weekend. He ended up with 5 acres right on the Black Creek for just under $200,000 on terms that were favorable for him. And they couldn't be happier. It's their forever home. It's their happily ever after home. And unfortunately, now they're stuck with me.
And I say that in jest, guys. He's just a prince of a human being. He is one of the hardest working guys I've ever had the pleasure of doing business with. And he's a walking testimonial, guys. His family bought, not only did they buy, but they also sold a home through our channel. And at time and time again, people that are coming on board with us, they're getting their dream homes just like this. Just because you can't walk into the bank today, our biggest demographic of buyers are people that have had maybe a life's curveball, like what Dan talked about with his family business. Maybe they're self-employed, so they don't look great on paper, but they've got the down payment. They can certainly afford the mortgage payments. That's who we cater to, folks. So we always have a positive connotation in our mind about people now because we've been doing this for so long. But kind of shift your mindset. That's not always deadbeats, for example. It's not always people that have major credit issues. It's not people that have lived their life recklessly. So a lot of people that come on board with us would fit the demographic of buyer that we cater to. This is ultimately how they get their dream home. We've got a couple folks on board with us now this week that I'm going to be doing an interview with here shortly that are in the same boat. They make plenty of money, have the down payment. They just can't walk into the bank today. Guys, that's who we cater to. We love doing the research. We love bringing this information to the channel. Guys, Pink TV, stay tuned. If you're not a subscriber already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tell friends, family, enemies. We're always looking for like-minded folks on here, new eyeballs, fresh ideas. Drop comments below. Be sure to hit that bell notification if you want to get messages and notifications, obviously, as we're bringing new relevant content on the Pink TV channel. Until next time, guys, thanks for joining us. Make it a great day and take care.
Take care, guys.